Hello everyone and welcome to our video on toxin overload. In today's world, we are constantly exposed to toxins from a variety of sources, such as the environment, food, and personal care products. These toxins can accumulate in the body and cause a wide range of health problems. Toxin overload, also known as toxic load, is becoming an increasingly common concern for many people. In this video, we will be discussing the causes and symptoms of toxin overload and providing tips on how to reduce your risk and improve your overall health and well-being. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the topic of toxin overload. First, let's find out what a toxin overload is. Toxin overload, also known as toxic load, is a condition where the body is overwhelmed by the amount of toxins it is exposed to. These toxins can come from a variety of sources, including the environment, food, and personal care products. When the body is unable to effectively remove these toxins, they can accumulate and cause a wide range of health problems. Toxins can be in the form of heavy metals, pesticides, pollutants, chemicals, and many others. They can cause damage to our cells, DNA, and organs, leading to chronic diseases and other health issues. It's important to be aware of the sources of toxins in our daily life and take steps to reduce our exposure to them, in order to maintain a healthy body and mind. What are the sources of toxins in our daily life? There are many sources of toxins in our daily lives. Some of the most common include environmental toxins. These include pollutants in the air, water, and soil, as well as pesticides and other chemicals used in agriculture. These toxins can be found in the form of smog, vehicle exhaust, industrial emissions, and many others. Food toxins. Processed foods, particularly those high in preservatives, artificial colors and flavors, and trans fats, are a common source of toxins. Also, foods that are not properly washed or prepared can contain harmful bacteria and pesticides. Personal care products, soaps, lotions, makeup, and other personal care products can contain harmful chemicals such as parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances. Cleaning products. Many cleaning products contain harsh chemicals that can be toxic if ingested or inhaled. Workplace toxins. Some workplaces may expose employees to toxic chemicals, such as lead, asbestos, or solvents. Smoking and alcohol consumption. They contain harmful chemicals that can damage the body and cause chronic health problems. It's important to be aware of the sources of toxins in our daily lives and take steps to reduce our exposure to them. This can include eating a healthy diet, choosing personal care products that are free of harmful chemicals, being mindful of cleaning products and their usage, being aware of the pollutants in the air and water and taking precautions, and avoiding smoking and alcohol. There are 12 warning signs your body is suffering from toxin overload you have to know. Fatigue and low energy levels. Headaches and migraines. Digestive issues, constipation, bloating, gas. Skin problems, acne, eczema, rashes. Weight gain or difficulty losing weight. Constant colds or infections. Mood swings, anxiety or depression. Brain fog or difficulty concentrating. Insomnia or other sleep disorders. Allergies or sensitivities. Joint pain or muscle aches. Premature aging. It's worth noting that these symptoms can be caused by a variety of factors and not necessarily just toxin overload. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it's important to consult with a medical professional for accurate diagnosis and treatment. Also, it's important to note that some people may not have visible symptoms, but still suffer from toxin overload. Therefore, it's important to be aware of the sources of toxins and take steps to reduce exposure. Here are some tips to help reduce your risk of toxin overload and improve your overall health and well-being. Eat a healthy diet. Eating a diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help to reduce the amount of toxins in your body. Reduce exposure to environmental toxins. Use air filters in your home, eat organic foods, and avoid the use of pesticides in your home and garden. Choose personal care products that are free of harmful chemicals. Read the labels on personal care products and choose those that are free of parabens, phthalates, and synthetic fragrances. Support your body's natural detoxification processes. Drinking plenty of water, engaging in regular exercise, and getting enough sleep can help to remove toxins from the body. Avoid smoking and alcohol consumption. They contain harmful chemicals that can damage the body and cause chronic health problems. Consider taking supplements. Some supplements, such as milk thistle, N-acetylcysteine, and alpha-lipoic acid, can help to support the body's natural detoxification processes. Visit a health professional. If you suspect that you are suffering from toxin overload, it's important to consult with a medical professional for accurate diagnosis and treatment. Use non-toxic cleaning products. Avoid. We hope you found this video informative and helpful in understanding the concept of toxin overload and its sources. Remember that it's important to be aware of the sources of toxins in our daily lives and take steps to reduce our exposure to them. From eating a healthy diet, choosing personal care products that are free of harmful chemicals, being mindful of cleaning products and their usage, being aware of the pollutants in the air and water and taking precautions, and avoiding smoking and alcohol, these are all ways we can reduce our risk of toxin overload. If you have any questions or concerns, please consult with a medical professional. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on health and wellness. Take care of yourself.